What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Vivo X90. This Vivo X90 comes with the newest MediaTek flagship SoC, that's MediaTek Dimensity 9200, and this Vivo X90 is actually way cheaper than this Vivo X90 Pro Plus, almost half the price. But performance wise, this Vivo X90 is a very good one. In some occasions, I have felt like Vivo X90 has even performed better than Vivo X90 Pro Plus. So yeah, if you're looking for a budget flagship smartphone, then I think Vivo X90 is the one that you should check. And there are a few things which Vivo should fix with their future updates. We will talk about everything. But before we start this video, as usual, there is one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Well, as usual, let's start from unboxing and we will go through all the review process. We will run some benchmarks, we will play games, we will check camera performance, and yeah, if you want me to do a dedicated camera comparison video of this Vivo X90 with any other smartphone, then please make a comment and let me know in the comment section below. The packaging of this Vivo X90 is the same as Vivo X90 Pro and Vivo X90 Pro Plus. Even the packaging material is the same. Well, after opening the top lid, here comes our Vivo X90 Vanilla Edition. This isn't the Pro Edition. Let's put the phone aside for a while. Well, let me show you this. This is the charger that came with Vivo X80 and this is the charger that came with Vivo X90. You can clearly see that Vivo have upgraded their game. Now Vivo offers USB-C based 120 watt charger inside the box. Vivo have also provided a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, a premium quality USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Inside the box, you will also get a protective case, a TPU silicone transparent protective case. Nothing fancy. I was actually expecting a protective case like the one that comes with Vivo X90 Pro because that one looks much better. Anyway, this transparent protective case actually offers better protection than the one which comes with Vivo X90 Pro. Vivo have also provided a nice SIM ejector tool and some paperwork inside the box. Let's put everything aside and let's unwrap our Vivo X90. For the last few years, for last 15 months, especially from the release of this Vivo X70 Pro Plus, I have been using Vivo smartphones. And actually I have been using orange colored variants of all the Vivo smartphones which comes with leather back panel. But this time I have bought the blue colored variant of Vivo X90. This one has a glass back with matte finish. I am already in love with this new color and design. Considering its price and segment, build quality and in-hand feelings actually belongs to the premium category. I think I should say premium flagship category. Here comes my Vivo X80 Pro side by side with my Vivo X90. I would say the build quality of this Vivo X90 is actually even better than last generation's Vivo X80 Pro. Speaker grill, USB-C port, primary microphone and a dual SIM compact SIM tray all are located at the bottom. Yeah, you will also notice an antenna band at the bottom. Definitely Vivo X90 has stereo speaker setup. X90 actually uses the earpiece to create stereo speaker sound. The main difference between this Vivo X90 and its predecessor Vivo X80 is actually at the rear panel. The rear camera block is a bit different. Vivo have updated and upgraded the rear camera design. I personally like this new design. I think this one looks much more posh and elegant. Well, here comes the specifications of Vivo X90. If you are interested, you can pause the video and check one by one. Vivo X90 got a very impressive display panel with only a few flaws. I would say it's one of the best 1080p AMOLED panel that I have ever tested in this channel if there wasn't no banding. It's a 6.78-inch FHD Plus panel with 453 pixels per inch density. I'm surprised to see that this panel is even comparable to Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and Vivo iQOO 11 display panel. The display panel of Vivo X90 offers a vibrant picture quality, black means true black and white means true white, superb color calibration. Side by side with iQOO 11's 2K 1440p panel, I don't see much of a difference. At the beginning, I was a bit unhappy. Why is it a 1080p panel? Why not 2K? But after using it and experiencing its phenomenal performance, I am super happy. But one more time, there is one complaint, there is a bit of a bending. Vivo X90 offers stereo sound output. However, as it doesn't have a dedicated secondary speaker, it uses the earpiece as the second speaker to create stereo sound output. I'm gonna play my favorite music on both the X90 and iQOO 11. You check by yourself and make a comment. Let me know which one do you think has performed better.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get.
Okay, it's time for synthetic benchmarks. First, we will run 3DMark, the gamer's benchmark. I always run Wildlife Extreme Stress Test. This is a nightmare for almost all these smartphones. Let's see how good is the performance of this newest MediaTek 9200. As far as I know, this Dimensity 9200 is a very capable SoC. Let's see whether this one can perform better than Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 or not. Wow, look at this. The highest loop score of Vivo X90 is 3630. Considering the price of the phone, this is an insane score. Also, X90 has unbelievable stability, 97.2%. This seems a bit too much for me to swallow. Really, I cannot believe this. Now it's time for Antutu benchmark. I personally do not like Antutu benchmark, but I know a lot of my subscribers and regular viewers, you would love to watch Antutu benchmark and Antutu throttling test. So we will run Antutu benchmark back to back 3 times. Let's see what happens and what type of score we can achieve. After the first run, Vivo X90 has managed to get 1,209,000. It's a very good score considering that this is a budget flagship. But I am willing to know about what happens after the second run. Without wasting any more time, I'm gonna run Antutu benchmark one more time. Wow! After the second run, I'm kind of surprised and shocked. This Dimensity 9200 is really a very good SoC. Vivo X90 has even managed to score more than the first run. Should we try one more time? Will this X90 be able to deliver another stable score of 1,200,000? Let's see. After the third run, X90 has scored 1,204,000. I'm speechless. Actually, the scores are showing it all. Kudos to MediaTek for developing such a good SoC, and thanks to Vivo for being able to make a budget flagship so stable in GPU performance. Like all the other Vivo smartphones, there is this Ultra Game option and there are a lot of features. You can select performance mode to get the most out of your CPU and GPU, but I think the balanced mode is good enough. Buttery smooth in-game experience with superb touch sampling rate and almost perfect display panel makes this phone perform very well. Actually, MediaTek Dimensity 9200 is a flagship SoC, so playing graphics-intensive games on this X90 is truly enjoyable. We don't need to worry about thermal throttling, we don't need to worry about any lagging, we don't need to worry about nothing. We can concentrate in our gameplay and win the game with ease. This is surely a very good gaming device. Sony IMX866 main sensor with OIS, and that's the only sensor which got optical image stabilization. Vivo have also used two other Sony IMX663 sensors for both the ultra-wide lens and the 2x zoom telephoto lens. How is the rear camera performance of this Vivo X90? If I say it's amazing, then I'm not exaggerating, cause Vivo X90 comes with V2 ISP, which offers better camera performance, and it seems like Vivo have managed to properly tune this new RGBW sensor from Sony. Let's check some photos that I have taken side by side with this Vivo X90 and some other flagship smartphones. Vivo X90 got a 4810 mAh battery, and it comes with a 120 watt flash charger inside the box. Vivo X90 took 8 minutes to get from 0 to 50%, and it took another 18 minutes to get to 100%. That means 26 minutes in total to get fully charged, which is not only fast but very fast, because only 26 minutes to recharge a 4810 mAh battery is truly amazing. I have managed to get 7 hours and 40 minutes of screen on time, but screen on time actually varies depending on refresh rate and performance mode. Also, using the camera or playing games on this smartphone will drain battery faster than usual. X90 comes with Android 13 and Origin OS 3. If I have to do a list of things that Vivo have done right, then I would say Origin OS will be on top of the list. I don't know what do you think, but I really have hated and criticized FunTouch OS. Even still now, when I think about FunTouch OS, I feel awkward. I think Vivo have entered into a new era with this Origin OS. I wish Vivo will start providing Origin OS in global market soon. All the other features are the same as its bigger brothers. There is a multi-turbo feature for performance optimization, and it works well. If you are interested in RAM expansion, then definitely you can do that. There is an option for RAM expansion. Like X80 Pro, Vivo X90 has a traditional under-display fingerprint sensor. It's nothing fancy, easy to register fingerprints, it's very responsive and works without any flaws or issues. But there is one complaint: the fingerprint sensor is actually placed in a very awkward position. I think Vivo should have checked this position. If you are interested in face unlock option, then as usual there is a 2D face unlock option available, and now we can have alternative looks registered. So unlocking with face unlock option is much easier and faster than before. Okay, after watching through this video, what do you think? Do you think this Vivo X90 is a good performer? Please let me know in the comment section below. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button, and please subscribe to this channel, support honest content.
I think it's dawned on me that you ain't coming back. I've lost my chance to